Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a project that's turning head in a crypto world. Incogniton. If you manage multiple online accounts or work with different clients, keeping everything organized can be difficult. Today we are looking at Incogniton, an anti-detect browser designed to help you create separate browser profiles for different tasks. So first of all, I'm telling you that what is Incogniton. Incogniton allows you to create isolated browser profiles, each with its own cookies, browsing data, browser fingerprint, and proxy settings. This helps you keep your sections separate and organized. Some of the main features include multiple browser profile, browser fingerprint, customization proxies, support, cookie management, team collaborations, and automation support for developers. The interface is simple to use, making it easy to create and manage profiles. There is a simple step to use it that Incogniton is useful for digital marketers, affiliate marketers, e-commerce sellers, social media managers, developers, and agencies that need to manage multiple browser profiles efficiently. Here you can check it out. The different features right here like bulk create profile, fingerprint generator, Selenium, API automation, proxy management, cookie management, and furthermore. Next we have that why do you need an anti-detect browser? Because protect your online privacy, bypass restrictions, and manage multiple accounts effortlessly. This is possible with Incogniton, your essential tool for a secure and anonymous browsing experience. Here you can check it out, affiliate marketing and expanding affiliate. Next we have that why do you need Incogniton? Because there are various anti-detect browser available, but Incogniton stands out. Here you can see powerful and user-friendly, get full control of your online privacy and maintain multiple browsing profiles effortlessly. Virtual browser profiles replace multiple devices with virtual profiles, each with a unique digital fingerprint. Compatibility, use it on Mac or Windows Switch devices without limitations. Flexible packages, choose from different subscription packages tailored to user need. You can also try 10 browser profiles for free. Here you can see that what their users say about their amazing platform. Here you can see their different comments about project right here. Next we have that what is a digital fingerprint. Science tell us our fingerprints are unique and the same goes for digital fingerprints. A digital fingerprint identifies a user based on parameters like IP address, operating system, and browser details. Every internet user has a unique digital fingerprint, primarily created through browser fingerprinting. Website owners use this information for purposes like ad tracking. Next we have that what is an anti-detect browser, manage multiple browser profile, and furthermore you must read their all the stuff right here. Next we have their recent post. You can check it out, their recent post right here, and you can also see furthermore post right here. This is a fabulous project. Next we have their frequently asked question. If you know further more about a project, you must read the frequently asked question like how do I start using Incogniton for free, which features are not included in the free starter package, only in paid subscription, what are browser fingerprint, and furthermore. This is an outstanding platform. Start your free trial today, sign up now and save up to 10 browser profiles, no credit card required. So overall, Incogniton is a powerful browser management tool that helps organize multiple online workflow in one place. If you are looking for an easy way to manage separate browser profiles, Incogniton is worth checking out. Here we have their social platform like their Telegram community, their Facebook page, their YouTube channel, and their mail. If you have any kind of problem, so you will contact them through their email. I hope you liked the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!